To the uproar over the national anthem, singer Fergie facing a storm on social media over her rendition of the anthem before the NBA All-Star Game. Well, Fergie tonight is now responding, and here's ABC's Steve Osunsami.
She's got 8 Grammys. There's no doubt Fergie can sing, but listen for yourself to what happened Sunday night when she opened the NBA All-Star Game with the national anthem.
Early light, what's so proudly wave.
Putting it mildly, her version didn't impress. Steph Curry looked confused. Chance the Rapper sitting courtside thought it was funny.
The bombs bursting in air.
She was trying so hard to put some flavor in it, it fell flat.
Oh, say,
The players and people in the stands were laughing. Here's Jimmy Kimmel getting new material. Even legendary opera singers will tell you that the national anthem is not an easy song to sing and is best done simply. In a statement tonight, yes, she's responding in a statement. Fergie says, "I wanted to try something special for the NBA. I'm a risk taker artistically, but clearly this rendition didn't strike the intended tone." She continues with that she loves this country and honestly tried her best.